to edit or delete Cronjob via cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the cron jobs. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Current cron jobs are listed here. There is an Edit option in front of the cron job we want to edit. Click Edit. Scroll down. You can change the time and frequency of a cron job. For example, let's change it from once a day to once an hour. After making the required changes, click the Edit Line button. That's it. We have successfully edited the cron job. Let's see how to delete a cron job. Go and click the Delete button. Click Delete again. That's it. The cron job has been successfully deleted. Now you know how to edit or delete a cron job. Thank you for watching.